How do pop-up matcha drink stands keep every drink consistent? They keep each drink consistent by using measured ingredients, a repeatable mixing process, and careful control of temperature, timing, and portion size. First, the stand creates one tested recipe and writes down every measurement such as the exact amount of matcha, water, milk, syrup, and ice. Matcha can taste very different when the powder is packed tightly or loosely, so staff usually measure it by weight instead of guessing with a spoon. They sift the matcha first to break up clumps, then mix it with a small amount of warm water before adding the other ingredients. Water that is too hot can make matcha taste bitter, so many stands use warm water rather than boiling water. A small whisk, shaker, or electric frother helps spread the powder evenly, because matcha does not dissolve completely like sugar. Staff also use the same cup size and fill it with the same amount of ice each time, since ice changes both the drink's temperature and its strength. Syrups are often pumped a fixed number of times, and milk is measured in a marked pitcher or by weight. A useful quality check is for the team to taste the first drink of the day and compare it with the approved recipe before serving customers. One common mistake is scooping matcha by eye, which creates weak or overly bitter drinks, so weigh the powder whenever possible. Another mistake is using boiling water, which can produce a harsh flavor, so let the water cool before mixing. Some stands also forget that melting ice changes the recipe, so store ice properly and use the same scoop for every cup. Finally, shaking or whisking for different lengths of time can change the texture, so choose one mixing time and train everyone to follow it. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.